The Alfa Nut adjusts the collar of his overcoat against the cold wind. In the distance, the sound of police sirens and humanity struggling to survive can be heard. He starts his engine and rolls silently through the decaying, dangerous urban sprawl of
Devon. Hi everybody. Yeah, I do have to remind myself sometimes that I'm lucky to live in Devon and that I know a few roads where there is zero traffic virtually all year round. So I took my super rare 156 V6 for a drive back in the summer after getting her MOT'd and road legal. There were a few more issues to sort out underneath the car before the MOT, namely some rust on the inner wing and sill area. And also the rear suspension mount. Now this car had already had quite a bit of floor pan restoration done in the past because it is a well-known problem for the 156. I have to thank T&T Coachworks near Honiton in Devon for helping me out with this, and it was great to see some good old-fashioned high quality welding done. I really must learn to weld someday. Some people blame poor quality control at the Naples Alfa factory for the problems that the 156 has with rust. Dreaded tin worm does become apparent in most cars, although for some reason the earlier cars seem to be better protected than the later ones. But all 156s will rust given the opportunity. And in the UK there's plenty of opportunity. So my car is a 2.5 litre V6 Busso engined Veloce. Now this car came with the UK dealer's special Sport Pack 3 option. This included the huge rear spoiler, which certainly divides opinion, and I've been warned not to drive the car in southern Italy because if I do, there might be some bodywork modification done by indignant locals. I guess they might even modify my bodywork as well. Now, according to the How Many Left website, there are only 3 of these Sport Pack 3 equipped cars left on the road in the UK, and a further 2 which are off the road for whatever reason. The Sport Pack 2 version? None left. The 2 litre twin spark Sport Pack 2 version? 4 cars. Only 2 of those are on the road. Now, I could go on, but you probably get the picture. There's not many left. Let's enjoy a few country road shots. My 156 is an early model and it dates from 1998. When I bought it, it was only a few months away from the scrapyard. Since then, it's had a lot of work done, including new brakes and poly bushes. It's had a full floor pan restoration and a full glass out respray. The engine was cosmetically improved by me, I might add, and obviously it had a full service as well. Not a garage queen, it does get driven pretty regularly when the weather's good. I've also got a nice Phase 1 tan leather interior, waiting to replace the black interior that a previous owner had fitted from a later model TI spec car. There's currently no carpet fitted after the floor repairs were done, but I also managed to find a new black carpet to fit, along with a retrimmed steering wheel, so the interior should look really nice when it's all finished. Now the car's been plagued with an annoying intermittent misfire pretty much since I bought it, and a few garages and me have tried various fixes, but so far the misfire just keeps coming back. I've resigned myself that I'll have to strip the engine down and probably replace the coils and the injectors and anything else that happens to be removable, like spark plugs, to see if that will fix it once and for all. Misfires are a common problem for Busso V6s, unfortunately, and finding the cause and the culprit can be time consuming and costly sometimes too. Hopefully I'll be able to take the 156 to some shows in 2022, and because it's the only Alfa that I currently own with 4 seats, I may even be able to persuade the family to be dragged along with me. I'm shooting this in my new man cave, which is coming along quite nicely. And when I hit 15,000 subscribers, I'll do you a walk around tour of the garage and show you where everything's going to go and where everything is going to fit. Hopefully it will fit.
This is a traffic light. What is this?
Oh, by the way, just on that topic, if you aren't subscribed to the Alfa Nut channel yet, please hit that button and also the subscription bell so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. All YouTube earnings will go back into the Alfa Nut channel to improve it and to grow it. I might spend a little bit of money on some beers, of course. While I was making this video, I got to thinking about how my 156 is increasing in value due to its scarcity and rarity factor these days. And I thought how values of cars can go up, but mostly down in value. And I realised that most people lose money on their cars and might like to know my personal tips for how you can actually make money by buying the right cars. And that's going to be next week's episode, so make sure you don't miss it. Thanks so much for all of your kind comments and for welcoming me back to your screens. It is great to be wanted. So take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Cheers.